Hey guys, so I know if you watched the video I posted before, they reviewed some of the new vocabulary terms we're going to be using in this chapter, where we're going to be simplifying or solving algebraic expressions, but I just want to review them again in my own words. So let's say you have a equation that looks like this: 6a minus b plus 2a plus 7, okay? So now one of the terms you found was coefficient, and a coefficient is a number part of a term that also goes with a variable. Remember, a variable can be any letter. So the coefficient here is 6 because 6 is the coefficient of a is 6, or 6 is the coefficient of a. So that is a coefficient, okay? I see another easy one right here. Okay, the coefficient of a is 2. And then there's another one here that you might not realize, which is this negative b, because there is an imaginary -1 here that you don't see, okay? So technically, b is the coefficient of b is -1. So coefficient. Okay? And now we have another word which is called a constant. And the constant is any number that does not have a variable. So 7 is the constant in this equation because it's the only number that is by itself. It has no variable, okay? Like terms is when you put together terms that contain the same variables. So in other words, I see that there's two a's here. There's a 6a and a 2a, okay? So I would put together 6a plus 2a, and that would leave me with 8a, okay? Now, I don't see anything else with a b in this equation, so the minus b is going to stay by itself. And again, same thing with the 7. The 7 doesn't have a variable, so it doesn't have an a or a b. It can't be combined with any of the others, so that's going to stay like that. So that would be your answer, 8a minus b plus 7.